No, this is not correct. I'm not going. This is not a book. That is not a computer. Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we'll see how to make a sentence negative. What are the negative words that we use in a German sentence? We'll see all these things in our today's video. So let's start with the video. Nicht, nie, niemals, niemand, nirgendwo, nimmer, kein, keinen. These are all the words that we use to make a sentence negative. How do we make a sentence negative? That we'll see today in different sentences. With the help of few examples, we'll learn how to make a sentence negative. Whether we make a verb negative, we make a noun negative, or we use some words for a person, for a place, that we also see here in today's video. So stay with us and watch till end. Ich spreche nicht. Ich gehe nicht. Ich fahre nicht. Ich reise nicht. Martin ist nicht krank. Mein Vater ist nicht ungesund. Mein Onkel ist nicht gut. Er hat kein Auto. Wir haben kein Haus in Berlin. Ich studiere nicht. Ich arbeite nicht. Er lernt nicht. Have you seen these examples? These are all with the verbs. With verbs, we use nicht. I am not working. I am not well. He is not well. He has no house. He is not going. He is not writing. We are not writing. These are all the negative sentences. We use the word nicht. Okay? And if it's a noun, like ich habe kein Haus. Das ist kein Auto. Das ist kein Fahrrad. Das ist keine Wohnung. Das ist kein Laptop. Das ist kein Computer. These are all nouns. With nouns, we use kein. Pay attention. Before a noun, we use kein. And rest all the sentences mostly takes the word nicht. We both use to make a statement or a sentence negative. Negation in German. To make a sentence negative, whether it's a noun or a verb or an adjective. Very, very important topic. Very, very crucial for all the learners. Beginners as well as advanced learners. Now we'll see few words that we also use as a negative words. Niemand, nie, niemals, noch nicht, nirgendwo. These are the words that we use. Like niemand ist da. Nobody is there. Ich habe nicht gegessen. I have not eaten. Ich habe nie gesehen. I have never seen. Ich habe nie Cola getrunken. I have never drunk Cola. Ich bin noch nicht in Deutschland gewesen. I have never been in Germany. Ich gehe nirgendwo hin. I am not going anywhere. These are the words that we use to make a sentence or a statement negative. There are so many ways in which you can make a sentence negative. So these are also some words that you can memorize and use them in a sentence. After making sentence, you will realize the importance of these words and you get to know how to make a sentence negative, whether it's a noun, verb, adjective, or a person. Niemand, nobody. Niemand ist da. Nobody is there. Ich habe niemanden gesehen. I have not seen anyone. These are the words that we use to make a sentence negative. Some of you are already aware about these negative sentences and some of you are not. If you have not seen our earlier video, so you can watch here and see the details about the negative sentences more. And for our free worksheets and assignments, you can click below in the blog and find out all the worksheet assignments updated regularly for your help. You can learn, revise and practice these worksheets. So that's all in this video. See you next time with the new content, some knowledgeable content. Bye bye. Take care.